Hi, I'm Sajid, and today I will talk about if-else conditions, if-else statements. So it's a very basic concept, and I believe that it will be a very simple video or simplest video um, out of all the videos which I'm making in Python basic series. So what if-else do? It will check the condition, and if condition is true, it will execute the statement, or it will execute whatever we write under the if condition. So I will just give you an example here. So the first thing which we'll discuss is that an else statement can be combined with an if statement. It means else statement is optional here. Let's say that I'm working in an office, and the company wants to give me some salary, and the boss tells the cashier that if Sajid comes to you, give the salary to give this much salary to him, and if some other employee comes, just tell him that you won't get the salary today. Okay, so the cashier will give the salary only to Sajid, and if some other employee comes, he will say that your salary is not in our account yet. So let's write a simple code. So whenever a person will come to cashier, he will ask his name. Let's say that the cashier is new and he doesn't know the employees by face, so he will just ask the name. So let's say I write the name Sajid. Okay, now my code will check, or the cashier will check the name. If name equal to Sajid, so this is my condition, and if this condition is true, the following code will be executed. Congrats, you can get your salary today, right? And if or else, sorry, your salary is not in our account yet, or in my account yet. So this is how an if else statement will work, right? So if I execute this, and if I check the name here, so name is Sajid, and now this code will work. If name equal Sajid, congrats, you can get your salary today. So he checked the name was Sajid, and he just printed, or he just spoken these words to the employee who was me. Now let's say another person comes, and his name was maybe Umair. He goes to the HR person or cashier, and the cashier will reply, oh sorry, I just missed the print statement here. Okay, so sorry, your salary is not in my account, right? Okay, now let's suppose boss comes, and he says he says to the cashier that even if maybe some other employee comes, ask him to get his salary tomorrow, right? So let's say another employee name is Talal. Okay, so now cashier has three conditions. If name equal to Sajid, congrats, you can get your salary. Now I will add one more condition here using elif. Elif name equal to Talal. So cashier will say please come tomorrow for the salary. Okay, else, and if any other person comes, sorry, your salary is not in my account yet. Okay, so any other person will get this answer. Okay, so the name of the person or the employee who came to the cashier was Talal, so he got this answer, please come for the salary, come tomorrow for the salary. If person name is Sajid, congrats, you can get the salary today. And if person name is, let's suppose, any other name, Siraj, sorry, your salary is not in our account yet. So this is like, we have if condition, then we have elif condition, and then we have else condition. So we can have multiple elif condition. Similarly, we can have multiple if conditions, and it's not and as I told you before, that these else or even elif are optional. So we can even only work with if condition, right? So let's say that boss doesn't give any other instruction, doesn't give instructions for any other employee. So what cashier will do? So he will just have this statement, right? Now if the name is changed, let's suppose name is Siraj, and if I execute the code, nothing will be displayed here because the other cases were not handled here. Like we don't have any condition for Siraj, or we don't have any else condition, elif condition. But if you want to handle other cases, you have to include all those cases here. Else, if name equal to Talal, else. So since the name is Siraj, so that condition should be true. Else, it means we have one condition for Sajid, another condition for Talal, and all the other scenarios we have else condition, right? So I hope that you understood what we did today. So it's a very simple concept. You can get a lot of examples. You can solve a lot of examples. If you get any questions or queries, you can definitely ask me. Thanks a lot for your time. Bye.